this is set, or not set, but anyway, 71007, and this figure is the wizard. So let's take a look at this wizard, and then I'll get to the packaging and then the booklet after the figure. Anyway, so his accessory is a staff, and it has a little gem on the top, a little blue gem, and that is actually 3 bits, so that's pretty neat. And then we've got the stars and moons kind of cape, and then there's like a kind of like a vampire thing there. So yeah, and then I like how it's not a normal minifigure legs, so like, yep, but it's like a slope. So that's pretty cool, and I like how the torso blends into the legs. I don't think there's no back printing. I'll quickly show you the head. Oh, this is the little close up on the hat piece. So there's like a big moon in the center, and then there's all stars around it. So that's pretty cool. I'll just give you guys a close look at the head. Focus, come on. There we go, you guys can probably see that. Yep. So it's kind of like an old guy head. So, yep, that's the figure. Yeah, I like this figure a lot. And there's like a little rope here to hold his spells or potions, whatever you want to call them. So let's take a closer look at the booklet. So this is the booklet, not the booklet, the packaging, and so it says 5+, set 71007 Lego minifigures, and it just has a whole it just says 16 minifigures in a whole heap of different languages down the bottom there, and then it says series 12, and then it has most of the figures on the front, and then it says online game code, which is in the booklet, which I'll show you in a second. Yep, so let's get to the back of the booklet, or not the booklet, the packaging. Oops, sorry guys about that. So here we are. It's pretty much the same. It just says in there, it just says game code in a whole heap of different languages again, and then there it just says series 12 in a whole heap of different languages again, and then it just says 16 to collect, which that means there's 16 in the series, or 16 figures. And yep, if you are missing pieces, you can go to lego.com/service, and they'll send you out some parts that you're needing. And of course, every single figure comes with the figure stand. You guys already seen them. And then here we are, the game code. I'll just cover up the code quickly. And yeah. So guys, about this. and then it just has like an ages 3 and under choke hazard. So I'll just tear that off. Well, not tear, but you guys know what I mean. Anyway, so here's the back of the booklet. It says minifigures. It's quite different to the other ones. Say, here, and I'll get another booklet. Let's grab the nearest booklet anyway. Here, why open this? And then it says play online, and it just says play online in about 5 other different languages. And it says unlock minifigure online, and you enter the game code there, which I have actually covered up with blue tack. And then down the bottom it just says online minifigure and a bunch of other different languages that we don't really need to see. And also I was just going to show you a little comparison to the back. It's really a special series because it has a kind of a different back, but then comparing to this one, and it always shows you the minifigures and how you put them together, but that doesn't really bother me because I already know how to put them together. It's not rocket science. Anyway, so let's get to the front, which I should have shown you guys first, but anyway. So it just shows you all the type of minifigures, or all the minifigures you get in this series, and the wizard is number 1 in the booklet thing, and then at the top it says Series 12 Lego minifigures, and then it just says Series 12 once again in a bunch of different languages. I've said that about 50 times, but yep, these are sold all around the world, so yep. Anyway, it just says down the bottom lego.com/minifigures, and you can see all of them. And then we've just got all the minifigures that come in the series, and on the side it just has some copyright stuff. And yeah, not much. Not really that much. It's interesting stuff on the back. Or on the. So let's wrap it up here. So this is set number 71007 review, and this is the Lego minifigures, and this is the wizard. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.